Hi, today I'm making a coffee drizzle cake for the first time. I'll add a link to the recipe in the bio. So I started off by mixing 2 tablespoons of coffee granules with 4 tablespoons of boiling water. And then I'm going to add 175 grams of light brown soft sugar to a mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add 175 grams of softened unsalted butter. This wasn't as soft as I hoped it would be, but yeah, it still worked. And then I'm going to add 3 eggs and then mix that all in. And then sift in 175 grams of self-raising flour. Right, give that a good mix. I am only using one hand here because I'm using the other one to film. So then we've got our batter, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the cold coffee mixture. I'm going to probably spill a bit on myself. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then give that a good mix. So we're going to pop this in the oven on 160 fan for about 30 to 40 minutes. I kept it in for 40 minutes because it wasn't really done before that. The skewer kept coming out wet, so I kept it in. And then we're just going to get a cocktail stick or skewer and poke some holes in the cake. So then I'm going to pour out about 100 grams of granulated sugar. This is what the recipe said, but I think I only used maybe like a third of that because the mixture just became quite thick. So yeah, this is the final result after I spread the mixture on top. Thank you for watching.